to all the anime merch drops happening this week. So there has been a lot of drops for One Piece because of the One Piece live action. And there's also some drops that I saw that I was like, ooh, I didn't know that this was happening. So one of the drops is I saw this cool makeup collaboration where I was like, ooh, not. Also, there's a lot of stuff for the girlies. I feel like there don't never be enough stuff for the girlies. But this time there is stuff for the ladies. They have a lot of stuff too for the makeup collaboration. But I thought this was really cute. I didn't see this until just now, but it came out in January apparently. I think they probably just didn't market to the appropriate audience. I feel like they marketed more towards makeup people. I don't think they really did a good job of marketing towards the anime fashion people. Hey Mune, hello. But yeah, they have a lot of stuff. They got mascara, brow tattoo stuff. So I think if you like makeup, definitely check this out. So we have Hey Dude in Naruto. I don't know how I really feel about this, to be honest. These shoes aren't for me, but hey, I think somebody will like them. I actually found out about this from another creator, Ryan Pops, who also covers anime collabs. They're mainly more focused on like official collabs, but it looks like they have like 2 pair. These are, I don't know, there's something about it. This is not for me, but I think somebody will like it. I believe there's 3 pair. So if this is your thing, you know, if this is your thing, go check it out. If this is your thing, go check it out. Then we have the Converse and Hello Kitty collection. I actually really like this collection a lot. I think they did a really good job. I really like the purses. I think they did a good job of catering to the adult audience as well as the kids, because everybody loves Hello Kitty. They have other characters as well, not just Hello Kitty. They got the Cinnarol, Cinnabon, whatever the little guy's name is. I don't know. I'm a Kuromi kid. They got the character that's always showing his butt. All right, let me stop before I get in trouble. But then here is the purse. I love this purse. It has all of Hello Kitty and her friends on there. Oh my goodness. Looks good. All right, bet. Purse. But this collection actually has a lot of stuff. I really like the miniature. Of course, they're sold out. There's one more. But they have these little miniature keychains that you could put on your bag of the Converse shoe. There's t-shirts and stuff. Yeah, this came out a little bit earlier this week. I talked about it in the other newsletter, but I thought it would be good to cover it again. Then this one, I don't know how I feel about this collaboration. This lingerie collection, this One Piece inspired lingerie collection. It's mainly inspired by Robin and Nami. I already low-key don't know how I feel about One Piece and, you know, them with the women. But they do have this collaboration. I do like a lot of the pieces that they have here. They're pretty nice. The bra and panty set. So if you got a lady and she like One Piece, why not get her this set? There's some other stuff in there, but I don't know if I could show them in their bra and panty set. So if you want to see that, you're going to have to go there directly on the website. Okay? Good luck. Then Steady Hands and Fire Force dropped the collection. I actually dropped this yesterday. We were talking about it a little bit in the Discord. Shout out to Sherm. But I do like their jacket and the cardigan. I feel like there's nothing too crazy here, but a lot of the signature style when it comes to Steady Hands with their cardigans. I do like the pants and the jacket, but I'm trying to stay away from the graphic tees. Kev, hello. I got in trouble on TikTok. I'm actually surprised that you found me. What time is over there? Then we have Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk dropped yesterday. Last live stream, we did show the 2 jackets that I got from Cyberpunk. I will have a video dropping on social soon for the Cyberpunk collection. So this collection with Carbon Core is officially licensed, and it will run you between $90 to $250. But I did get the this jacket and then also this jacket as well. But they also have a sweater and hoodies. It looks like there's about, what's this? 8 pieces of the collection, and you could pre-order now. Okay, I would say check the size chart. I thought I could fit a small, but I usually wear extra small, but I got a small. I should have got an extra small. So definitely double check the size chart. Also, I don't know if this dropped yet. It's supposed to be dropping at 1 p.m. today. Oh, 2 p.m. This will be dropping 2 p.m. Eastern. Is it not 2 p.m. Eastern? Oh, it's like 1. It's 1 p.m. Eastern right now. Right. So in about an hour, the 2 Lucky merch Dragon Ball Z inspired racer jacket will be dropping. All right. Also, we have Mela and JoJo Bizarre collection coming out. So if you like high heel shoes, this is for you. Also, why can't I click on this? I need to look into that. Why we can't click on that? Why we can't click on this? But they did a JoJo Bizarre collection before that I really liked. I seen some people post it and I was like, ooh, I need to get a pair of these. So this will be on my next. Like, I think I'm gonna do a big haul of them. Ooh, these are so nice. They don't have as many, their boxes are so nice. They don't have as many pairs they did for their last collection. I can't remember what season of JoJo it was for the last collection they did, but if you like high heels or if you got a lady that likes anime, I think this is a really cool brand that you should check out. This is Mela. They also did like a Demon Slayer collab. They do Genshin Impact. They dabble into video games as well. So yeah. Also, I was surprised by this, the Box Lunch and One Piece collaboration. I think there's some heat in there. You know, sometimes Box Lunch could be a hit or a miss. Oh, Quan, how have you been? I ain't seen you in a minute. I hope you've been well. I hope your art gallery did really well. But I do like this One Piece jacket. I like this Gear 5 Luffy jacket. I think that is nice. And those are probably the 2 pieces that I really like. There's some other pieces in here, like maybe the jumper. I don't know. But I think for Box Lunch, I think you really have to read the materials and stuff. Try to stay away from polyester, in my opinion. So you can have stuff that lasts a long time, if you get what I'm saying. If you're picking up what I'm putting down. Yeah. Oh, you feel like every time you pop on my lives, you getting off? Oh, no, I'm not getting off yet. I just got on. But it doesn't on... I just got in trouble on TikTok, so I'm surprised that you found me. I got restricted from the FYP. I stay getting in trouble. Also, Hot Topic. Hot Topic, y'all. I'm excited for this Hot Topic collaboration. Like, what? Hot Topic One Piece? I would never thought I say today. You know, I would never think I would say that. But the Hot Topic and One Piece collaboration actually looks like, oh, are they dropping this? Oh, this is brand new. Just hot in. They been was supposed to drop this. Okay, so Otaku Shop finally dropped their freaking. This was 21 hours ago. What time was it when they dropped it? I put this in my newsletter earlier this year, but Otaku Shop just dropped their Demon Slayer Part 2 of their Demon Slayer collection. Ooh. Okay, so they brought this back. Yeah, all these pieces were brought back by popular demand. So I guess the only new part. Oh, they didn't drop everything though, based off their Discord. This Akaza sweatsuit set. Oh, and then I guess the Doma sweatsuit set too. Everything else is restock. I feel like they had one more item that they didn't release. Hot Topic One Piece. Let me lock in. Okay, let's go back to the Hot Topic One Piece. Rengoku stuff. They have one Rengoku shirt I think you would like. One Rengoku shirt. Okay, let me see. Okay, so for the... All right, y'all get to be blessed with seeing my saves in my Instagram. Y'all get to be blessed with seeing my saves. Okay, so this is the One Piece. They don't have it on their website yet because it's not released until the 10th. But isn't this some of the stuff? But I think that cardigan is really nice. I'm curious to see if Steady Hands actually designed that cardigan, because Steady Hands actually outsources to Hot Topic, if you guys didn't know that. But yeah, I think Hot Topic did a pretty good job with this collection. I think their quality, I think they see in the competition, they're like, we need to tap in. We need to tap in. The tee is nice. I really like the cardigan. I agree the tee is nice. Oh, and then Hashira Studios is dropping their Dora Hedora collaboration. They also are officially licensed. I have hold on, some of the stuff I have saved on here is diabolical. I gotta make sure I am. But here was the preview that they had on their Instagram page. This is supposed to be dropping on the 12th at 6 p.m. Central. If y'all are in the Discord, Sherm is dropping all the stuff in there. If y'all want to see more details on there, Sherm is your guy. Sherm just takes over my Discord occasionally and just put all the drops as well. I try not to cover the stuff that Sherm covers. And then we got Delinquents Truly. I've been talking about this every newsletter. On the 14th, they are doing a restock, and they also are dropping some new pieces. For those of you guys that want the purple trunks jacket, I don't want to hear anybody talking about the trunk jacket. Okay, so after they did the blue trunks jacket, they did a pre-order for it. Everybody got it. Everybody and their mama got it. I ain't hear nobody talk about it. Now this purple jacket, I don't want to hear nobody talk about this either after it drops. So if you don't got it, and you come in my DMs and be like, where can I get this jacket? I'm going to sure you can. You in the sky, okay? I'm going to blast you like Trunks blast Frieza. Okay, I don't want to hear nothing, all right? Oh, you just started reading Dora Hedora? I think you'll like it. Have you talked about Sparks? I haven't talked about Sparks in a long time. I honestly haven't really messed with Sparks since last year, so Spark Trends has been off my list. I think something happened with them. I know they're going out of business, but I feel like I called it like last year. I feel like the original creators or something like fell out or something. I don't know exactly. That's my prediction because their quality and stuff has like dropped. Sherm, you mean your assistant? I don't think Sherm's my assistant. I would say Sherm is definitely like, I think Sherm is, I need to make a segment for Sherm. I was going to put it in this newsletter, but I need to craft it out a little bit. But Sherm definitely needs like, I don't know, something. I'm still working it out. But this is some of the stuff that, this is some of the stuff that Delinquents Truly is dropping. I think a lot of people are going to want that. I think a lot of people's pockets are going to hurt from this. So I apologize in advance for anybody that's going to be suffering from the Delinquents Truly drop. I will be as well. But that's pretty much like most of the drops that are happening this week. There are some events that are happening. Like there's a Digimon pop-up shop that's happening in New York. See, this is why I got moved to New York. There's also still the JoJo Caravan event that's happening. I put that in my last newsletter. And then also Miniso and Hello Kitty is doing a pop-up. They're all throughout. So, ooh, there's gonna be one close to me. Oh, actually, there's two close to me. So it's gonna be in New York, California. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. Some stuff that I didn't talk about that's happening is like Crocs dropped. A lot of people are mad about the mystery pair that wasn't released yet. I don't know why people are like, y'all getting news from the wrong people. Like people are like, it is this, it's dropping on this date. I'm like, no, only these pairs are dropping on this date. I don't like to drop information unless it's confirmed. So everyone's saying it's the Zoro Crocs. It might be the Zoro Crocs, but it hasn't been confirmed by official sources. Official sources haven't been confirmed. It has not been confirmed. But yeah, that's all the drops for this week. If y'all like these drops, make sure y'all sign up for the newsletter. If you're not signed up for the newsletter, what are you doing? Okay.